everybody, it's Karina from Knit Indulgence. Today I am going to show you the standard method to do triple knitting. Now I am working on a main side row, which means it's also an outward mow. It also means it's a KKP row. So you can hold your yarns any which way is comfortable for you. This is the most comfortable for me, as I find it easier to do the stitch. You can also have two yarns on your right, one on your left, or you can hold all three in your right hand. Now the first step for triple knitting is pretty simple. You knit the first stitch of the set, knit, and then you bring that yarn forward. Then you knit the second stitch of the set and bring that yarn forward. Next you bring your third yarn to the front and purl the third stitch. And then bring all your yarns to the back. And it's as simple as that. That's one set done. I'll do it again for you just so you can see it one more time. Knit, bring yarn forward, knit, bring yarn forward, bring yarn forward, and purl. And that's what you would do on a KPP row. So I will work to the end of my very long row and then come back and teach you how to do the return row, or the back layer, otherwise known as a KPP row. I just wanted to show you how to change colors while working a KKP row, and it's pretty simple. As we saw here, we knit with our first color, knit with our middle color, and purled with our third color. Now to change colors, all you need to do is knit with the color of your choice, knit with whatever you wanted for your middle color, and then purl with your back layer color. And that's all you need to do to change colors. I'll work another set here and then just show you how I change colors again. So I finished that set, and now I'm on the next set, which changes color again. So I want to go to my gold color, so I'll just knit with the gold, knit with the green for my middle layer, and then knit with my turquoise, which is the color I wanted my back to be for that color set. And it's as simple as that. Alright, now that I'm back here, we're going to work a KPP or a return row. Now if you notice here, I'm just switching up my yarns because I find it more comfortable to work a KPP row with two in my right hand and one in my left hand. So to work the KPP row or the return row, all you need to do is knit the first stitch, bring that yarn to the front, and then bring the yarn to the front and purl the second set of the stitches. Then bring your third yarn to the front and knit that third stitch. And that's all you need to do to work a KPP or a return row for triple knitting. I'll do it one more time. Knit the first stitch, bring your yarn to the front, purl the second stitch, leave your yarn at the front, and then purl the third stitch, and then bring all your yarns to the back again to start the next set of stitches. And that is the standard triple knitting KPP row. And earlier I showed you the KKP or outward row. And that's how you triple knit.